Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the creator of Smith Fly Fishing. It's an online resource to learn how to fly fish on a budget. Today I'm going to teach you how to tie tippet onto fly leader. So let's get started. First, what is tippet? So tippet usually comes in a spool like this. This is a 5-pound test. I chose a little bigger one to make it easier to show. This is what the fly ties on to. And so it's usually want it pretty small, as small as you can possibly get. And this is what's called leader. This goes from the colored fly line on to the tippet. So we're going to show you how to tie that. So I took the leader out of the package and I snipped off a piece of thin tippet. We're going to attempt to put this on together. We're going to use what's called the surgeon's knot. It's named after surgeons used it after they was suture somebody up. They would use this knot to tie off the suture. So this end is the leader end. So it gradually goes from thick to thin, and this is the tippet end. So what I've done is I know it's kind of hard to see, but I've overlined them together on top of each other, make a loop. And basically, you're just going to do a simple overhand knot twice. So it's called a double surgeon's knot. So you take this part, you stick it through. Sometimes I use my mouth, kind of help as a third hand. I take the end of the tippet in the same way. And you basically just repeat it. Kind of try to keep it all straight. And you should have two loops together. And the friction on the two loops help the two knots, the two lines stay together. And sometimes you wet it a little bit so it'll cinch up nice and tight. Make sure you got the friction there. The knot is together. Usually I pull the one tag end. And when you do it yourself, you can kind of make sure the tags aren't so long so you don't waste it, because you end up cutting off the tags. So you take your handy scissors and cut off an end. And you cut off the other end. And this basically extends the life of your leader. So it goes from gradual to thin, but eventually the thin part kind of breaks off. And so you want it, you want to extend the life. So you add a little tippet onto it, the thin fishing material. Just kind of cut that off a little more. And if you did it right, it should be a nice knot that'll hold, and you got yourself some more leader and tippet onto it, and you can keep fishing. You tie your fly on to the tippet end and you go at it. Thanks for watching. My name is Jeff from Smith Fly Fishing.